Fight.
Hello all.
Fight.
Raise the white flag.
Hello and welcome back actually to more Combat 11 on Nitro's Protected Shadow account. Joining in action for Kana of this correct disaster. A punishment for myself. Enjoy the last minutes before I go to sleep. Gotta say, I should go to shower and then to sleep. It's getting into actually 30 hours now, being awake. So, have a nice fun time and cheers up for time. That's what we should do for this called for the next stream. Still listening actually Spotify music in my earplugs, so I do know and understand what's going on actually in the story. And get my headset over, of course. But you know, well, music listening, drinking beer, some tequila a little while, and hope the best. So enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. You're wow. Kampai. Oh yeah, you have to beat actually with everyone actually in here. So the Shadi monks, we need actually to change for a little while. We can't come around in the end. I hope I get that correct. So we count and then cool off. Okay, let's do that one, right? Yeah, I'm a loser, I'm not good in this one. I like the story much more. Enjoy. Oh, you can select. That's awesome.
I have not known stranger days.
Kotal Khan, I am Raiden, protector of Earthrealm.
I know you.
We are acquainted in your era.
We were allies who became enemies.
I am surprised, given our shared antipathy toward Shao Kahn.
Everything changed after your defeat of Shinnok.
Shinnok's defeated?
Our realms joined to fight him. But in victory, you were hardened. To protect Earthrealm, you lashed out at all realms you deemed threats.
That cannot be.
My Raiden wears Shinnok's amulet as a symbol of his fury.
Be assured, Kotal Khan, I am not that Raiden. We have common cause, both in solving this temporal crisis and in defeating Shao Kahn.
Agreed.
Liu Kang, Kung Lao, and I will return to Earthrealm and learn what temporal anomalies have occurred there. We must better understand the phenomenon we are experiencing.
You will have my scouts track Shao Kahn.
Salut, salut.
So,
Tequila.
I can't leave while Shao Kahn threatens our world. I must seek justice for what he did to my family and to all Adenia. I will come back for you to aid you.
Vamos.
You evade my questions, Deborah. I routed your people, burned this hive, yet you aid me.
We
They give me that.
Her Excellency.
Okay.
Kotal Khan did, and she betrayed him to Shinnok.
Kotal Khan. How is it I'm dead and he sits on my throne?
You tried merging Earthrealm into Outworld. The Elder Gods intervened, and Raiden killed you. That's when Melina became Khan.
After this one killed your daughter, Kotal claimed the throne.
You killed Melina? If this is true, you will die!
Deborah is under my protection, Shao Kahn. As are you. I am Kronika.
Still on Squaffy Live Jam here, URL.
The legends are true?
I am displeased with how history has unfolded.
So you broke time?
I stopped time.
Jesus.
I enlist all those who disdain the current course of history. By merging past and present, we may draw upon allies from both eras.
How will fighting your battles benefit me?
I offer a greater empire in the new era, Shao Kahn. Raiden will not exist to thwart you.
You can wipe Raiden from history?
It is an immense task, requiring great power and effort. My hourglass requires protection while I work. Will your Outworld armies defend it?
They shall.
How long is this thing go on? It's a P anyway.
Can't someone, anyone,
sake.
explain to me what the hell is going on?
Well,
Right? I've been in the future
you
for
still
a whole
confused?
hour and I haven't seen one jetpack.
Confused?
Not one.
Compost.
So it is true. I walked a darker path.
That's weird.
After Shinnok went down, you became a different person. Red lightning, black clothes, authoritarian attitude.
Well, I'm just cleaning my
about that.
little stuff
What
here.
happened to Dark You? How come you're an only child and I got an
I
evil
don't
twin?
want to say actually, but I like these ice
As an
coffee.
immortal, I
Let's
exist
prepare for
outside the
tomorrow,
normal
or better say
laws
for
of
today in
time.
the morning.
That could explain
For
why
real
I am
ice
affected
coffee.
differently.
Thanks.
Weird, isn't it? Not being in charge.
That's what's weird.
Oh, the music fits so
and
much.
having daughters our age.
Look at her. How do I have a kid?
But we
With
still have time,
him?
so I'll bring in the iced tea
At
then.
least she's not an actress.
Cooking up actually water.
Come on, at least think about it. We each get
I'll
points
bring
off
them
the
later
cross.
actually before I go
Only
to
in
sleep.
summer,
To
Johnny
the
Cage
freezer.
and Johnny Cage. In time.
Iced coffee
Any
caramel.
thoughts on what we do next?
For months, I've been receiving vague premonitions of the future, but none of them foretold this. I must confer with the
Package
Elder
is enough
Gods.
actually for 400
Liu Kang,
milliliters
Kung Lao,
because they're so
please assist the
sugary.
special forces while I am
Promise
gone.
you. Don't do what they say,
Follow me.
100 milliliter for one iced coffee
Commander.
package there.
Yes, Mom.
This is bullshit.
General.
Don't make this up.
this is strange for me too.
You have no idea.
Yeah,
What?
Cassie, whatever your name was again, so...
This morning, we were on
Can
a
we start up actually?
mission, and you gave your life to save them.
Starting sweaty here. Need to go to a shower.
Son of a bitch.
Even I cleaned myself 4
Seriously?
times this day.
Yeah,
Man,
and now here you are. Young enough to
so
be my
ashamed.
sister.
Cass, you need to see this. Satbeats show another realm incursion at the Rştý Academy.
Netherrealm?
We're on this ride or
Taking out
something.
Shinnok's temple was supposed to stop them.
It's gotta be the time anomaly.
Time.
We must help our Shaolin masters.
Why would
Man,
the
definitely need a
Netherrealm want
beer
to
here
bust
again.
up your alma mater, Liu Kang?
The Dragon Grotto. It's underneath the academy. Earthrealm's Jinsei energy bubbles up in its springs.
Come on.
That's no good.
What, bubbling
We've
water?
seen firsthand what happens when the Netherrealm screws with Earthrealm's life force.
They will not reach the grotto. It is protected by powerful magic, the deadliest traps. I am sure our counterparts from your era are
There
already
we go.
dealing with them.
Half
Kung
liter of
Lao,
iced coffee
Liu
done.
Kang, you might want to sit down.
Cold water over.
I died in the
And
Colosseum.
waiting until actually the hot water actually getting a little colder to get it
Our
into the
future,
freezer.
Liu Kang.
I mean, it's in
is
the fridge.
insane.
I'm sorry for that one.
Obsessing over it will not change it.
Neither will accepting our destiny as evil undead warlords.
I'm not. But we can't change a future we don't fully understand. Lord Raiden will guide us.
Can we trust him? It appears he got us both killed.
Okay, it needs toilet paper, but Jesus was not there. He was in the winery, supermarket. So he couldn't help you, man. We come. Please select we come. So actually God never actually swift his ass off the toilet paper because Jesus was too much actually selecting winery in the supermarkets all over the world. After 250 years. God gave up. Just was going with his shitty ass actually to the shower. And all upon us actually, he released his anger of his ass. Forget about it. What the hell is going on here?
So many Shaolin. They died defending our
Like
sacred
clean
ground.
paupers.
The Netherrealm will pay.
Sounds so weird if you're listening actually to motor fast actually music. At the same time actually playing the game, watching a movie before
Whoever
playing.
came here knew how to disarm these traps.
Do you know how? The monks never taught me.
More likely you did not attend class.
This one in here is so
Watch for the pattern.
on the volume so
And
low.
pick your moment.
When I'm playing Car X, I need to actually get the music, the soundtrack, I'm gonna say the Spotify music so much low down because the cars are so loud. And this game is so 4 times. I have maximized my headset, the earplug, is right now with the cell phone on 25%. Normally it's 1-on-1. Core X is like 100% and the cell phone is 100% as well. This one is by 25% the volume of cell phone and 100% the headset. What the fuck is going on, Disney? Or whatever you are right now. It's covered off by Mr. Trump. Warner Brothers is Disney, or is it Warner Brothers again? Paramount. Ich hab kein Plan, das war bitte wieder, das sollte worauf nicht mehr stehen. F1. Liu Kang.
If Scorpion doesn't kill us, these traps will. Find a way to shut them down.
Let's get it on.
Let's see whose fire burns hotter.
That's correct.
Fight.
Trying. Yeah, you try. Nice. Man, I don't like his moves. The button bashing stupid stuff is actually stupid enough. You have to be on PC actually, having a pad makes more fun to play than just pressing one button and have combinations and left. But on PlayStation actually, on a controller, man, you're already tired. But pressing so many button combinations, you can't hold on with that. Like, you know, going down and upside down and hit shit and no combinations are waiting from you because you have to be staying in the middle, then in the front of him, then far away and all this other shit. It's completely bullcrap. If you're pressing too many buttons, actually the AI is completely raping your ass. Like this one in here. Try actually make the fireball. I couldn't actually. Alright, die hard. If you press too much buttons, you are totally getting abused. It doesn't matter if you're playing a very easy or very hard. One button too much, the AI is in milliseconds know you are an idiot. Stomach problems? Too much red onions. Oh yeah, red onions, huh? There was no explosion. Oh well, now we caged in these onion farts. Cover yourself, guys. Don't fire up a cigarette like I do.
Why?
Because red onions actually very healthy. If you're gouty, especially. Hey, it's my rock girl. Long time no see.
What happened to you?
An untimely death. Like yours, due to Raiden's incompetence.
You cannot
why I have to pay for that?
We know about our deaths. They were caused by our mistakes.
You have been deceived, Liu Kang. The truth is, Raiden murdered you.
Liu Kang. Second. Bird Lab, the other guy there. I just saw it. Oh no, that idiot. Too long open up or something. Alright, girl. What's our deal with each other? Didn't kiss each other the last time or something? Saying goodbye. Yeah, the fire flame will heal your lips, sweetheart. ist es so schlimm, wenn du zu viele Tasten drückst, dann ist das geil.
You will not test my faith.
Schon wieder verschwunden. Der Herr Gaslord, rote Zwiebel. Gibt's noch was, was wir beobachten sollten?
What if the next revenants we have to fight are us?
They really get fucked up and pissed
Then we
off.
fight them, Kung Lao.
That's correct. I think my armpits are swelling off actually, and saying actually I'm getting whatever. Thank you.
Elder
No,
gods,
Meister.
I have come to seek counsel. The realms are in crisis.
Oder doch die eine Schlampe, muss ich ehrlich sagen. Den auf der rechten Seite kenne ich gar nicht. Seid ihr alle?
Even we elder gods. Already our power weakens.
I will fight Cetrion. But how?
You must find Chronica's
Oh,
key.
the Saturn, of course. But who's the right guy?
Only then will time's momentum be restored.
Must be a tank guy or something.
Speak your mind, Raiden.
Since this time merger, I have learned about my future. That my champions fall. That I become a tyrant. If Chronica is defeated, will I be consigned to this grim fate?
Oida, he's actually representing already the future of him. Now I learn. More than actually 8 years playing that MK11 or something. Over a lot of accounts. Breaks of 1 year. Mortal Kombat story is amazing. Why they don't do something like actually in core access as well? On poor games, you know, but it can be so easy to hold them. By fun, by story, by twists, by intrigues, underworld, heavenly guys, haters, clans. Oh, that guy with the time, actually he can spool back towards the
future. Courtesy of Raiden. Our future may be tragic, but it's not Lord Raiden's fault.
God, Maluka, the other gang or something, I can't remember, man.
Raiden saw it coming and did nothing.
I would have defeated Shao Kahn, but Raiden wanted the glory.
Yeah, okay, we got that one.
No, I don't believe that. One day Raiden will betray
Wow,
you.
that guy with the hat, we need.
Believe.
Kung Lao.
The thought
All
of it
right.
coming you sickens me.
Weapon versus weapon.
You owe Chronica.
Good soul, underground soul. Ja, Gambare macht Horrorshot und hat den Toten weggeschissen. Ist wieder ein Bullet weggestiegen. Der hat den Scheiß drauf gegen wo die Gummistiefel schon voll an. Alter, wie macht der das? Hat er das auch gerade ausgeführt? What the fuck? I didn't do that. Promise.
I'm the best of the White Lotus.
Let's try again. Kann's nicht mehr. Keine Ahnung, wie der das gemacht hat. Let's do a 40 trophy shit. You have to jump 40 times in the stage or something and win then after all. Seems to be actually I'm losing in here. Okay, we're on 10, 15. I think he's following me here right now. 30. Hold on, let's do it actually. What the hell I'm doing in here? Okay, that's it. That's my special moves right now. Okay, let's win. Game over. Maybe a trophy, I do not know. I counted 36.
You shame our family name.
Yeah, it wasn't 36, I think. No trophy. Shit. Ah, that is so stupid.
Or could they be telling the truth?
Worry about it later. We have bigger problems.
No, my earplugs are getting into the headset, so now I can push actually a little bit harder on the Spotify music. Let's start all over with the second here. Back to the branch.
Kronika will remake history.
Oh, that was too easy, man. He's invincible, man. He don't care. He's a cheater. That's not fair. That's fucking not fair.
I'm a fixed point in time. With every death and rebirth, I grow stronger.
I know it moves actually already.
Fetch the Jinsei, chosen one.
You're good, but you're no great Kung Lao.
I'm sorry, man.
You've met my ancestor?
He stood a chance against me. You have none. Fight.
Let's just see.
Razor sharp.
Ah, come on. Realität noch, Alter. Ich verliere es wirklich dort, oder? Geht so. Könnte schön was sein, wer gewinnen. Aber echt scheiße getrieben.
I can't kill you, but I can knock you out.
Dürfen wir gehen? Can be reached at
Shaolin
least.
monks exceed your reputation. I respect your spirit, but Kronika's will must be done.
That's cheating, man. Why they're flying in the air now? Creepy snake. I hate that girl. Just a bitch.
It's dangerous to let them live.
If they die, their revenant selves will cease to exist. We need them to defend the keep.
Ever think about that one? If you really like her, why would you sleep with her?
Yet again, Liu Kang.
She just talks in you all the time.
The wrong destiny.
Yeah, with sex, she burn your bag, you exhaust, she'll kill you. She's a fucking bitch.
I now have the energy to re-sculpt the sands of time. The Netherrealm's undead army will protect the keep as I work. Shao Kahn, when will you deliver the Outworld army?
Soon. It will be mine once Kotal is killed.
And what is your progress, Sector?
The Cyberlin factory is modified to your specifications. Production exceeds projections.
What the fuck? What do you want to destroy? You want to have us a slave, or just actually because your brother just died?
We must find Kronika, wrest the control of history
we have
from
the
her.
amulet.
If we succeed, our destiny can change.
So what we were told is true?
Oh, with this war.
You were involved in our deaths?
Yes. Had the timeline continued, my decisions would have led to your deaths. But the Elder Gods assure me that such a future is not inevitable. This is but one of many possible timelines.
That is a lot to take on faith.
Rest assured, Kung Lao. I am aware of what may come. I will not bring harm to either of you. You have my vow.
Thank you, Lord Raiden.
We must find Kronika's keep and strike it, as hard and as fast as we can muster, before all is lost. What have you learned about Kronika's effect on Earthrealm?
We're tracking sites around the globe with major temporal anomalies. Picture's still fuzzy.
Our kid's something, isn't she?
Today or the year coming up. Two packages, 48 one. And cigarettes eventually. And the screws for the door.
We've prioritized info that correlates attacks from the Netherrealm with time anomalies.
Helpful. But we have more to worry about than the Netherrealm.
Yeah, we do. Grandmaster Sub-Zero reports heavy losses to his Lin Kuei clan. The Time Merger has resurrected his old enemy, Sector.
Sector? Was he not the Grandmaster who years ago enslaved the Lin Kuei?
That's him. He's reactivating and upgrading the same factory he built to convert the Lin Kuei into cyber
Let's
killing
get this
machines.
hot coffee with a bread action down below.
New and more
Into
powerful
the
cyber Lin Kuei. Kronika may seek to co-opt them. What of Sub-Zero?
Already on his way to shut down the factory. Grandmaster Hasashi is going with him.
Grandmaster Hasashi?
Okay.
Hanzo
Oh man,
Hasashi?
it's still warm, I know, but whatever. You get a lot of water in there. Fuck it. Oh, I have actually to do something paper over it or something. The water is not actually contained over all the fridge. Okay, hold on. Cookie, want a cookie? Cookie time. Alright, good idea. Thanks for that. Here we go.
Your hearing is failing.
Stop spreading then.
I recognized your footsteps, Hanzo.
Stays on the wood, right?
Where's Sector? I will not let him.
I'm a genius sometimes.
The old Cyber Lin Kuei factory was defunct, buried beneath this quarry, until the time disruption.
Now, Sector's returned and reactivated it.
Hey,
He's
you boo.
building an army by processing Lin Kuei
You
warriors
good to each other?
from my temple.
I can see why you need me.
We could enter through that tunnel.
To track them or something is correct.
Bloody. Needlessly dangerous. There's another entrance, less populated.
And the rest of your plan?
That must be stupid or something. Alright, sir. Just a stupid cyborg. No life in it. Of course, Chinese. Experiments. Somebody is into. Well, shit. Okay. These cyborgs was human as well. Issue, please. 36 minutes we on? Thought this movies of it belong. But thanks, good not. Need to come back actually in this Mortal Kombat 11. These stupid button combinations. I think sometimes my controller is not less enough for more buttons to have. Oh hell.
We'll avenge your clan.
Look at that. Okay, chill, villain. Shine. Frosty. It's time to deploy you. Frost and frost, fire and fire. The different. Asshole.
Cyrix is your inside man.
He was converted against his will. If we disable the behavior inhibitors that control him,
he will turn on Sector.
All cyber Lin Kuei are linked to a common network. Cyrax can shut them down from within.
Don't you worry.
I don't know. Focus on disabling Cyrax. He's the key.
We require additional candidates for cyberization.
Once delivered, how long
It's
before
the
the
one
next
equipping
generation?
all these cyborgs into one ultimate weapon. Show your face, sweetheart.
Frost.
Rule.
I gave you a home. I was your mentor. Yet after all this, you ally with Sector. He corrupted the Lin Kuei.
You corrupted our clan when you made peace with this Shirai Ryu filth. With Kronika's help, I will restore the Lin Kuei's honor.
You're completely insane.
Help Cyrex. I'll discipline your former pupil.
I should have killed you the day
You
Sub-Zero
deserve what you need to do.
You try.
End of your life on fire.
Now you die.
Patient. Holy crap, seriously? Get over here! Oder ich hab abgewehrt, ich hab ja 2 gedrückt. Aber egal. Ist schwierig. Die Backfotzen, Alter. Jeden Schuh. In die Fresse rein. Down on your freezing point. You can't believe that. That's a problem.
She rewrites history.
So you're nothing but pawns?
We act to secure the link.
You piece of shit, destroying room and work. I don't like that. You need to die.
I'll deal with Cyrex.
You will be forced to serve.
I've been down that road, Cyrex. Never again.
Fucking fool.
Fight.
Too many stuff and abbreviations I know in my brain, but so long again. Keeping it on.
Hurry, before we face more cyber Linquay.
You'll need a moment to initialize.
What he's done. What the? Oh, crap, Shadow.
Sector, show yourself.
What's your fucking problem?
Yes, it is I. You were killed, swallowed in a storm of souls.
Quanti's creations do not die easily. Kronika offers me a new clan to lead.
You retard.
Its shadow will darken the realms.
Lead beyond to me.
That's his generation. Generated shit.
I thought you shared.
Fight.
Nothing left for me.
We share blood. We are not brothers.
Have a lot to explain, my friend.
He ripped out my heart. Made me a machine.
Your soul is intact, Cyrax. Trust me. I speak from experience.
Kuai Liang. Is that you? You look so old. And Scorpion?
We'll explain later. For now, know we share the same goal. The Cyber Lin Kuei's destruction.
We need your help, Cyrax.
We will.
I can disable their communications network. It'll shut down this factory and every Cyber Lin Kuei connected to it.
And the weapon deploying. So what's she doing here?
To become allies. I did not think you capable of such dishonor, Sub-Zero.
You know, Sub-Zero, you need a time out. I just even done that stuff.
Help Cyrax.
You've even got the dad of fire.
You started this fire.
I love to sit down and eat my grapes, you bitch.
So Quan Chi would slaughter mine.
He should have killed you as he promised. Now I finish what he could not. Fight.
Get over here! That's a tough boy now.
Satoshi.
Requill.
I'm in. I'll reformat the system drives and shut us all down. Goodbye, Kuai Liang.
It is not the end. I will find a way to restore you. Anything is possible. Hanzo and I are living proof.
Please don't bring me back this machine. I can't live like this.
Machine or man, you have a warrior soul. As long as I am Grandmaster, the Lin Kuei will welcome you.
Then until we meet again.
Bitch snake.
First, we speak with Raiden.
Damn it. Hopefully.
Our Lady Kronika will get all the
This is
service she
difficult.
needs. But I can't
And
quite feed until I
vergangenheid.
know the job.
You will see.
Ich gehe duschen. I'll be right back. Need to get a shower. See what's going on with the live stream. Be right back, guys. Thank you very much for having you.
Back again.
Can you restore him?
There's some frame damage. Circuitry looks good. It looks like someone did a software wipe. Fixing that won't come cheap.
Once he is repaired, can he be replicated? Hundreds of times. Thousands.
That's a tall order. But anything's possible. With the right help.
Serve Kronika, and she will provide.
Take the deal. Trust me. Otherwise, who can you trust? You weren't kidding. It's like a mirror, reflecting the past.
How about that? Over 50 and still a ripper.
There's still the matter of our fee.
We get paid in the new era. Kronika will make sure the Black Dragon come out on top. Not only in the black market, in every market. Right then, let's get to business.
Reach your dad yet, kid?
The network's still down. I hate being so far away. Dad must be climbing the walls.
Be patient. You'll get through.
I know my dad's still alive, but it's like I'm seeing a ghost.
You and me both. But they aren't ghosts. Oh, they're definitely real.
Can this get any more bizarre?
What are you searching for?
Come on.
It's another future, man. Easy up. You feel like my soul. Life is bullshit. But at this time, yeah. Oh man, you're a mess more than my soul. I think I even can fix you. Oh, this is bottle of beer, just glass, sir. You too, Richard. You always want.
Jackson
Make the dreams
Briggs.
become true. Shit. Huh. You
Do not
think about
fear.
that one?
I have come
Well
to
done.
offer you a
Fight
new
for her.
life. A better life.
Maybe meet us.
That's awfully
each
generous,
other again.
seeing as we never met.
We have not met. But I know you. How valiantly you have served. How horribly you have
Ja,
suffered.
mijn god. Komt ook kunnen
It was
voorbij.
not my plan for you.
Your plan?
Hier dan ook
You were to retire distinguished, not in disgrace. Years from
Glücke sind eigentlich Sorgen.
General Jackson Briggs.
Ich hätte dir den Holzblock
More
geschnitten in der Zeit.
importantly, your daughter was not to serve, nor endure the same tragedies you have.
You just a bitch.
Your home should be filled with grandchildren. Help me, and it will be.
Nur komisch, dass sie was geworden ist. Ich sage, ich habe hier mal einen Arsch offen, oder?
Extinct have also returned. Shao Kahn will seek them out. He relies on their power.
Kotal scouts tracked a Tarkatan war party to the Kai Tian's lost hive, Devora's ancestral home. Her hand in Shao Kahn's escape makes that our starting point.
Please advise me of what you learn. I must consult with the Elder Gods.
Das Bossbuch noch einschalten, aber was ist denn los mit dem Spiel, oder? Kombinationsbossen Scheiße nicht ändern.
Queen Shiva does not trust me.
Der Boss in der Boom reinzubringen.
Shao Kahn has since my bloody battle with Goro.
Halt 5, oder?
Shiva's always respected your opinion more than anyone's. When she hears you support Kotal, she'll join us.
If that is my duty, so be it.
Thank you, Princess.
Are you my friend or his consort?
It was my idea, Kitana. It's in your best interest. Succeed with Shiva and Kotal will pledge his loyalty to you. There's no bond more sacred to an Oshtek like him. I remember when we could ride like this alone.
My life has changed as Outworlds come. Thankfully, you have not.
You haven't changed much either, despite the years. You're still the same noble warrior I met in Shao Kahn's court. And now you're Khan. I'm surprised no woman has claimed your bed and become your queen.
Fuck women. They're destroying the whole physics.
Yet they failed.
That's actually stupid.
Why?
None of them were.
So then I can make you a cycle of death. Fight for, protect her, you fight again, you're losing, the child is coming up, fighting for his father again, making the cycle again.
There are fresh tracks leading into the hive. If Shao
Without
Kahn's in there, he'll
girls,
be difficult to find.
you only fight
The
once.
tunnels are endless.
Set fire to them.
You manage everything else by proud.
Total, we don't know who else is in
But that actually some son of wench my father's kid. Woman. Fight this. Stupid. See that what happened? I don't care.
Hold her.
I should with that.
By the gods, it's true. This is what I become. Blame your loyalty to Kitana. It led directly to our death. Then so be it.
Du
I
Schlampe.
would not trade Kitana's
Hast du
friendship for
komplett
anything.
den Arsch auf.
It's pitiful you choose servitude. She and I
Ich brauche eine
fight
Windschutzscheibe
side by
will
side
gegen die
against
fahren.
Shao Kahn. His oppression cannot stand.
Werde ich den Diesel überhaupt zu tanken.
Fight!
When called for a higher purpose, we must serve.
You will bleed for your betrayal, Devora.
This one acts only for the Hive's survival.
Jetzt bin ich langweilig geworden, weißt du das? Das Favorit habe ich nicht mal eingeführt. Ach, sowas echt. Endlich. Echt das echt. Das ist geil. Meine Nippel sind schon ganz soft und wässrig geworden. Krieg das nicht mehr hin, Alter. Ich krieg mal eine Löhne auf Wort.
Wish to survive. Tell us where to find Shao Kahn.
Ghosts of my past. Devora spoke the truth. We are outnumbered.
Give me a few of your best soldiers. We'll infiltrate the camp and search for Shao Kahn unseen.
What you propose is dangerous.
Of course it is.
Okay. So bullshit. Everybody's watching. They know what's going on. They let them pass.
Aki Tarkata. Ne. Trakati.
No.
Parga.
It's all right.
Parga
We won't harm you.
Neti Otonokora.
We're looking for Shao Kahn.
Shao Kahn. Bagdare Shao Kahn.
Please. We only need to.
That was just stupid.
With me!
Get the service off. Asking for milk, maybe she's pregnant. I don't know. Don't do that in a fight. Welcome to the free festival. Alive, actually the fire. That was a strong soldier. I think he was one of the gods
All
or
these
something.
years and still you exploit others to rise above your station.
I have risen to my station, Jade.
Holy shit.
Before Shao Kahn raised me up,
Must
outworkers
be a part
despised the
stupid.
Now they fear us. Tell me that is not progress.
So, your business, please.
Fight.
Not enough.
It's because I tried to do a trophy, but it ain't possible.
And respect are not equals.
Line them up. Execute them.
Kotal! This is cruel. Many didn't fight us. They are children.
You forget. In my time, they joined Melina in rebellion against me.
These aren't the same Tarkatans, Kotal. A better Khan would offer them a warm hand, not cold steel.
Fight!
Too long. You're welcome. Your heart has hardened, Kotal.
It is too late.
Blame yourself for the Elder God's deaths, Raiden. Your actions have irrevocably altered Kronika's golden balance of light and dark. Shinnok's decapitation was the capstone.
You are a paragon of virtue. You should wish evil vanquished.
I abide my mother's will.
You were begotten by
Kronika.
As was my brother, Shinnok. The darkness to my light. Nature demands equilibrium. Balance is perfection. You have stepped out of your role, made that balance impossible. That's why the new era holds no place for you.
You will not succeed.
Kotal Khan is captured, Raiden. The combined might of Outworld and the Netherrealm will keep your forces at bay, while my mother finishes her work.
Do not underestimate Earthrealm's warriors.
You are right to have been fond of these mortals. They were good souls.
Man, these arms are an upgrade. It'll be payback time next time I see Ermac.
Oh, I made sure he got his.
I imagine future me is out kicking ass with these right now.
Cassie told you that future you spent time as a revenant, yeah?
Sounded horrible. Can't imagine becoming Shinnok's puppet. But she says I come back from it.
The experience haunted Dad. But then you met Mom. She brought you back to life.
The love of a good woman. Like the sound of that.
She was Dad's everything. She died last year.
She's a half cyborg
Ever
as
since
well.
Dad stayed on the farm.
What the fuck, man?
He feels safer there.
What are we talking about? Half cyborg.
Here's how you access incoming reports. Swipe here to cross-check them with past reports. The software can suss out the deltas.
Now that's progress.
So, a married Lieutenant Princess over there. Always had a thing for blonde. Ever since Susie DiNardo Junior year. Take it from me, you didn't miss much. That woman over there, she's the real deal. Oh, I got eyes, brother. As younger you, I solemnly swear to tap that at the earliest opportunity.
Was stimmt nur mit euch nicht? Ja, es ist halt ihr versteht.
What? It's our destiny. Out.
How the hell do I ever sleep with that guy? Who's your father? I can't believe I just said that.
Wie kommt sie jetzt darüber?
My dad isn't the Johnny you know. He grew up. I like to think you rubbed off on him. As a kid, I looked up to both of you.
My dad? Your grandfather was my hero. Called me Private Pumpkin.
Huh. That's what you called me. We should get back to work.
Nein.
Biometric verification required. ID verified. General Sonya Blade.
General Blade? Dad would be proud.
Untwist your panties, older me. I'm a star. This is a military operation, not a movie set. I'm only the best fighter here. But your daughter's got me sitting at the kids' table. Our daughter is CO. A little humility might earn her respect. Dad always said, hungry people eat lunch. humble people serve it. Dad was an asshole. Hollywood made us an even bigger one.
Yeah, talk.
Fight.
I'm the star. An old man just kicked your ass. Get lucky.
Yeah, well, early these days. Yeah, she died because of you.
You left me behind?
Excuse me?
My final mission.
How did you... Shit. No, I'm not doing this. Not now. Not with you.
Damn it, Cassie. You abandoned me?
To save the company! That was my order!
Who the hell gave you that order?
You did. Read the full
Yourself,
report, Lieutenant.
say.
Go to condition red!
We're under attack! Repeat, we're under attack!
Words are coming.
Yippee-ki-yay, right?
Stupid guys, girls, don't know about the things they do the word. You kidding me? Disgust. Exactly. Don't be stupid, Mom.
Freaky like Friday.
They shot our face, Johnny.
The shot? Our face?
Hey! Okay, that's it.
He's gonna get us killed. Funny way of saying howdy, partner.
Normally you support on the left side, not on the right side. Goodbye. Okay.
So why is a
Surprise.
nice Texas boy like Aaron Black in bed with the Black
How's
Dragon?
about you?
Older you works for Kotal
Fallen
Khan.
Star.
He's one of the good guys, kinda.
When I pick sides, I pick a winner.
Ja, das war's für dich dann auch schon. Kommt hier rein und macht eine Show, Alter, und verliert dann hier noch, oder wie? Dann mal die jetzt schon. Cheaten tut er auch noch. Ja, jetzt machen wir Show hier. Stirb.
Not my contract.
Ernsthaft jetzt? Ja. Werden zu kämpfen oder so eine Scheiße?
You chose poorly. Cassie! Sonia! Breathe, kiddo.
They took Mom. Sonia.
I'll get her. Can we find out where they've gone?
Tarmac B.
On it. Keep her safe.
Eine kleine Dysfunktion. Will der uns helfen heute, oder?
Take her.
Ja, wisst ihr, ihr scheiß Roboter, Skynet wurde nicht an einem Tag ausgelöscht. Aber wir fangen jetzt langsam an damit. Du hast nicht für immer Raketen, du Vollidiot. Was denn da? Okay. Das hat die Schnauze mal richtig voll. Schießt der scheiß Schiff ab, Alter. Die hat nur 40 Raketen. Du hast eine Rakete, oder?
You can play that!
Belohnungssystem. Du machst ganz schön scheiß Abgang. Jetzt wird Zeit, dir den Arsch zu versohlen. Für immer ewig.
You won't be online long enough for your friends to make it, Tinhead.
Mensch gegen Roboter. Mensch 20%, Roboter 100%. Gekränkt 80%. Eigentlich haben wir schon verloren. Da quatscht der noch. Der hat 5%, Alter. Wie willst du gegen so einen gewinnen, Alter? 3%. 2%. Ja. Lauter ist er nicht da, oder? 1%. 0,5 eigentlich. Dein Körper ist schon komplett am Ausarschen, Alter. Du musst du gegen Titangeschöpfe kämpfen, Alter. So ein Bullshit. Den hat der immer dabei. Alter.
Go back to the 90s. Who's next?
I'm next. Hollywood.
Und auf sie und die Kugel ist eigentlich in sie reingegangen.
Shit. As if throwback me wasn't bad enough.
Oh, it gets bloody worse. Sonya and your little girl, they're gonna die. Right in front of your face.
Fight.
Contract. is my family.
Oh ja, das dauert 5 Monate. Du miese Stück Scheiße.
Got ourselves a full-on generation swap here.
Ich werde persönlich dafür sorgen, dass du stirbst.
Between Ninja Mime and
Du
Lady Liberty,
Hurensohn.
we've got all
Bis
the
immer ewig.
leverage. We're leaving. Go get my lesser half.
And the base?
Taken care of.
His younger brother? Aha, das ist Bullshit.
Let's go get them.
Anyone else hear that beeping?
Have I arrived too late?
You're back in the nick of time.
That's what I call a miracle.
Yeah, Raiden. Thanks.
Grandmaster Hasashi, I humbly request the Shirai Ryu's hospitality. My Sky Temple has been compromised. There is no safer place for us to gather.
Lord Raiden, welcome to the Fire Garden.
The Elder Gods are gone? Shinnok is Kronika's son? No wonder she sent the Black Dragon after me and Dad. We both kicked his ass.
It is not vengeance that drives Kronika. She restarts history to balance light and dark among the realms.
What can we do, Lord Raiden?
Gather Earthrealm's forces. But that effort will be for naught if Kotal Khan's armies cannot join us. Cetrion informed me that Shao Kahn has captured Kotal Khan. We must spare no effort to free him.
Kung Lao and I will go. We will rendezvous with Princess Kitana.
Thank you both. May the Elder Gods protect... May you return victorious.
You are passionate, Princess Kitana. But I am not persuaded.
Queen Shiva, haven't your people fared better under Kotal Khan than Shao Kahn?
In some ways. But we can only guess which Khan will prevail in this struggle. We gain no advantage choosing sides now.
Princess!
Scheiße, Moro, halt's Maul.
Why are you here?
Du bist für den Tod.
Kotal Khan has been captured by the Tarkatans. We must act quickly
You're
before he
guilty.
is executed.
We decide
My
over
people
your
will
life.
not rally to a Khan held in chains.
We have Earthrealm's support, Your Highness. With yours, we can guarantee victory.
There is no path to victory without the Tarkatans. If they can be swayed to Kotal Khan, it would be to our advantage to join him.
I will return, Queen Shiva, with the Tarkatans at my side. Together we will march on Shao Kahn.
Was a wise decision to get actually near her room. Destination. Watching over your shoulder then.
What is it about Jade's blood that intrigues you, Scarlet?
Indinian blood is most sweet, Your Excellency. It is also a rare commodity.
Like a little card over the
Where are they taking him?
To the Colosseum, no doubt.
Then we attack now.
We'll never sway Baraka to Kotal's side by taking the offensive. We must turn Baraka first, then attack Shao Kahn together.
The Tarkatans won't grant an audience. Their instinct will be to attack.
Not to mention Jade.
Here's
At the first sign of trouble, they could kill her.
I have an idea.
Alright. They don't like.
Who is in charge here?
Almost done. Then time to feast. Princess Kitana.
Our gift for Shao Kahn. We wish to join his fight against Kotal.
All those years, the Khan's high and mighty daughter. Now brought low by common soldiers. Have you learned finally that you're no better than the rest of us?
She is for Shao Kahn. We demand to see Baraka.
You won't be seeing anyone. Liu Kang.
Dienst und so wird sie sterben und keiner wird sie vermissen. Du bist ziemlich dumm.
You betrayed your father, Kitana.
I was Shao Kahn's daughter by conquest. He stole Adinia from its rightful ruler, the father I never knew.
Because your people and your bloodline were weak.
Fight!
Ja, das wollen wir jetzt mal vorstellen, dass sie ziemlich im Arsch steht.
grace. There is more to power than conquest, Scarlet.
The halfway through.
As requested, 0 casualties.
Jade, are you all right? We must find Baraka quickly to save Kotal.
Baraka won't join us. Kotal's hate for the Tarkatans runs too deep.
You must be pregnant.
If I hadn't stopped him, Kotal would have executed them all.
Do you see?
Yes! Kotal has made his intentions plain.
Don't fear, stay on your side.
Baraka, please listen. No more Tarkatans need to die.
Kotal Khan threatens all Tarkatans. In the new era, Shao Kahn will rule. Fight.
Hear me, Baraka. I speak truth. Jade, Liu Kang, Kung Lao, stand down!
Gut, nach Combat DefRekka! Speak. You've earned the chance.
Shao Kahn has pitted Outworld's peoples against one another for millennia. And for what? The honor of dying in his wars? We must fight for each other, Baraka, not with each other.
Kotal wants us dead. He said as much to my face.
Aid us, and I'll make sure you sit at Kotal's table. Which do you prefer, Baraka? To be Shao Kahn's slave, or Kotal Khan's trusted ally?
She's hard. Not watching here on cartoons, we see different. My lordy is actually beating down close to the
we'll
edge.
ask him together.
Everybody say, me know the view.
If he offers less, I'll help you.
You've suffered too long at this pretender's hands. But I've returned, and I will save you from his madness. Only I can rebuild the Empire. All realms will tremble before me. Outworld will again be conquerors. Never the conquered!
Holy shit, that's a brutal force. Actually, immortal force.
Before, I'd have had no need for Melina.
My sister was an unholy monster. Exactly like you, father.
Ungrateful shrew, born to privilege which you throw away.
Who are you to judge
You
me?
pay for this stuff.
Cold or hunger.
You just did to us.
You would value the gift.
You're surviving the days. Maybe you are enchanting your mercenary days. I'm waiting. I'm stabbing.
Finish you quickly. Be grateful you still breathe. Surrender, or face the consequences.
Surrender on the brink of victory. You're as feeble-minded as Jared.
King Jared, the father you murdered and stole me from.
I wanted Jared's wife, not his heir. I kept you only to appease your mother. Do not expect mercy this time. Fight! You suck!
I'll not inherit your cruelty.
She did it. Of course she did.
Do you feel anything?
Shao Kahn has crippled me, left me defenseless.
Not while I am by your side.
You would have me, even with my hardened heart?
I know your heart. It can change.
It is over, Kotal Khan. The throne is secure.
Thank you. Baraka, Shiva, I have not served your peoples well, yet still you aided me. I will not forget.
We don't need charity. We will share in Outworld's rule.
That is up to her now.
What?
The throne is yours. You have united Outworld, Kitana Khan.
She's now officially out of your league.
I am humbled, Kotal. From this day on, may all our peoples fight together as one.
The news from Outworld is indeed hopeful, but the location of Kronika's keep remains a mystery. It is beyond the realms, and has proven to be beyond my sight.
Do you know of Charon, Raiden?
Charon, of course.
Who is Charon?
Master of the ancient ship of the dead. Sub-Zero and I met him during our time as revenants.
He travels in the space beyond realms, transporting damned souls to the nether realm.
If the keep lies there, Charon may know its location.
Would he help us?
It is possible, but I cannot be sure.
I urge you both to investigate.
We will leave immediately.
Locking down Outworld's army is huge. But still, I'd feel better if we had more manpower.
The Shaolin will join us. Liu Kang and Kung Lao travel now to aid the monks' preparations.
Good. I'll be leaving soon to go after Johnny and Sonya.
I'll go too.
We're both going. No. Raiden needs you for an intel op.
We need to get Sonya back.
Undeniably. But Kronika's behavior makes it clear that while mighty, she is not all-powerful. Otherwise, why would she attempt to steal Jinsei?
Think maybe she's still building
A distinct probability.
Then what's her next move?
With the Dragon Grotto's Jinsei fountain sealed, there is no greater energy source in Earthrealm than the Well of Souls beneath Shang Tsung's island.
Then we better go check it out.
I regret that I cannot join you. I must keep vigil for signs of Kronika's further tampering with time.
We all have our duty.
I am told you defeated Shinnok, Cassandra Cage. You will defeat the likes of Kano, but proceed with caution. If either Johnny or Sonya die, you will cease to exist. It will be beyond my power to save you.
Man wird ihr sterben.
Rise and shine, Sonya. And you won't be leaving that stuff, love. One thing we Black Dragon know. There's no fun in a fair fight.
So Sonya's the skank who burns me?
She more than burns you, Cabal. She goes black ops on your ass. Shocks, knives, the bloody works. Patched you back together myself. Well, most of you.
She's dead.
Miss Law and Order really does that to him? Nah. But now he's motivated.
Hope you're ready for some preemptive vengeance.
What the hell are you talking about, Cabal?
You, torturing me to get dirt on the Black Dragon.
Fight!
Oh well, I'm on toilet. I'm still going to pee. The first round I don't survive.
Got the spins. Got the spins.
Oh my gosh, hell, what the fuck? He's bastard. That was the toilet, you fool. second round, you fool.
Don't believe every rumor you hear. I'm done entertaining you clowns. Get in here, you cowards!
Tempting enough. And we think our next contender is a beaut.
Shit. I won't fight him.
You'll damn sure fight, or you'll both die.
Cut this shit. You'll kill us whether we fight or not.
Nah, you called me, love. But put on a good show, eh? It'll be less painful.
Come on. You've been dying to hit me all day. Here's your chance.
And give them the satisfaction of watching us fight? Like hell.
You said it. They'll kill us whether we fight or not. Fighting buys us time to find a way out. So, quit being a diva. Hit me! No way. These people know dive when they see one.
A thrill. Bagging the legendary Sonya Blade.
Fight.
a medevac. We're gonna have to fight our way out to the rendezvous. You'll need these.
Where do you think you're going?
No, it's too dangerous.
Best thing about this future, love? I'm alive. But you're dead as a doornail. Worst thing is, it's those Netherrealm stiffs did you in. Should have been me. Let's have ourselves a do-over.
You might be alive in this future, but that can change.
Fight!
Let me give you a break.
Now this is a pickle. Can you break his neck faster than I can gut, pretty boy? Don't forget, it's 2 for 1. He dies, so does your little girl.
Thanks, Kano.
For what?
For reminding me of the rules.
sweet moves. I'm totally stealing that one for Timequake. How about, dinner sometime? You know, thank you for saving my life. And, apologize for being, well, me. No pressure, no romance.
Patience is a virtue, Cage.
No! No!
What is that?
Who's the special guest villain?
Geras, Kronika's goon. Allegedly, he can't be killed.
I fought a dude like that in Fatal Infinity.
Get him evac. I'll keep this thing occupied.
Sonya Blade, mother of Cassie Cage.
Yeah, what of it?
Cassie Cage defeated Shinnok, son of Kronika. I am his mother's vengeance.
Langweilig.
Fight.
Aber schon wieder.
Stay away from my daughter.
Try coming back from this.
You okay?
I'll be fine. I come from tough stock.
Listen, what I said back at the base about the mission, it wasn't fair. You're a damn fine soldier. I'm so proud I can almost picture myself dating Johnny. Almost.
I wish I could go back
to
our last mission over.
It wasn't easy finding out how I'd die, or could die. But I reread the file. You followed orders, saved your squad. I'm just glad that my
Give me 10 seconds with this guy.
Jax Briggs. We were partners under Quan Chi's